Malanga. Thank you.
Formerly known as the Zulu Christian Industrial School, where Muputi will tell us a little bit more about how it was founded, who founded it, the significance of it, right here in Inanda. Ziyabuya Ekasi, let's go!
Okay, thank you very much, and also good morning to all of you, and also you are warm welcome to Ohlang Institute. Please feel it. It is right here, because when we talk about revolution towards democracy, this is the site where revolution began. So Ohlang Institute, the school down there, this is the first African industrial school.
Yes,
that
in
was
South Africa.
In South Africa. That was founded by one of prominent leaders of South Africa, John JL Dube Mafikizolo and Duncan. Usungule lesikole samakhono sokuqala sakhe umuntu onsundu ngaphandle komnikelo bahulumeni wocalucalulo noma wobandlululo.
Okay, so funding for the school, where did it get it from?
He outsourced it from the state, because the apartheid regime government, they didn't want to fund this institution. They were keep on saying this is the school of the terrorists. Because during back then, people were hyperactive in the progressive movement. They were associated with Terrorism Act. Of which was not true, just to turn the blind eyes of the world. So John Dube Stadium usakhe ngo 1900. Yes, after he bought these 200 hectares of land. Because inhloso more than anything, it was to bridge a gap between us and other races. As a during that era, there was a primary system of education of we as Africans or South Africans, we were not allowed to enter high school, tertiary and universities. Yes. Now ukuthi le minyaka imkhakha sasingafana thina sikwazi ukungena kuyona. Namhlanje usebenza kwiGagas. Mhlawumbe uyi-marketing noma umsakazi noma u-DJ noma wenza zonke izinto zasingavumelekile. Afanele ube unesi, ube uthisha, ube yiphoyisa, ube umabhalane. Yes. So ke lesi sikole student beqala ukusakha ngo-1900. It was a boys boarding school for boys. But later it to accommodate girls.
When did it become integrated? Nama genders. When did it become a boy and girl school?
Later. But when it got started in 1900, later they do accommodate and amantombazana basukuba bafana amantombazana. So let's go sesikhiqiza ke ingqalabuthe eziningi okuhlukana kwemkhakha. I will name just a few of prominent leaders who are coming from this institution, like Chief Albert Luthuli. The first African leader to receive a Nobel Peace Prize in 1960. He was a student, he later became an educator. Yes, and his philosophy or revision was shaped and molded by John Dube's philosophy, of which it was Triple H, so that African people be taught to use head, heart, and hand in the name of God.
Head,
heart and hand in the name of God. People be taught to be self-reliant, self-empowerment. So John Dube's philosophy, it was more of to teach the brain to work the heart, to understand, and the hand to serve. So, Baba Upanel Matuna, former Chief Justice of the country, Bapuma Khona like high. Abo Mampumzil Mlambo Nguga, former Deputy President of the country during the term office of Babum Peg. Oh, Allah was fast and over Sagala Mongamel, Napans, Wenkulego Intando Yening. Kamagles School. John Dube Dube's monument. This is a very sacred place, because this is where they found one of co-founders of ANC and the first president of ANC, John Dube. He's resting in peace at the private at the center with his family members. So John Dube, he was born on the 11th February 1871 near Inanda Mission. And also he passed away on the 11th February 1946 at the age of 75 years due to illness.
I see many graves.
So the grave is around John Dube's grave. The grave on the right hand side belonged to John Dube's beloved wife, Mother Angelina Kumalofi. She was educational by profession. She was behind John Dube all the way. The grave at the back belonged to John Dube's youngest son called Sipho. The vacant space at the back also is reserved for the only surviving daughter, the only one that is alive from John Dube's children. We call her Kroni Lulu. She's at the age of 85 years. In September, she will be turning 86 years during Heritage Month. And when her days are over, she's going to be buried next to his family members. And the grave on the right hand, on the other side, belongs to John Dube, eldest son called Sobantu. So Mafikizolo wayengane zo 6 eyaseyimbili zahamba isenqanulwa nomzimo amandla izanza angalena and nomagugu akasekho shadela ke or washada waseke wahamba emhlabeni wasefihlola lana kashadela kakhona. So ke lana yona ke monument yakhe la ilele khona njoba ngisho ngo 1992 ubaba Oliver Tambo ebuye ekudingisweni after he spent 3 years hiding in England. He first visited this monument beke imbali ezophawula enhlonipho wasewenza istatement land in front of dignitaries of the world, and he said, Mr. President, I'm here to report that ANC is back in the country, and ANC is going to resume where they left off in terms of unchaining the majority of this country from apartheid regime government. So kunyokubalekile lana the word Mafikizolo, broadly meaning industrial person, a person who was working tirelessly for all of us without getting rest. So the entire community of South Africa, they associated him like the sky is working non-stop for all of us. And also he was a selfless leader, the one who sacrificed everything for us in order to live a better life, the one who paved the way for us. Yes, and also the significant significant 11 February uJohn Mandela wakhululwa etilongweni emva kokuboshwa eminyaka u27 years evalelwa amabhunu ngaphandle kwezizathu. Ngomhla ka 11 February ke wakhululwa. Okubalekile ke isignificance ka 11 February uJohn Mandela wafanele akhululwe early wasetshela FW de Klerk nesigungu sakhe uthi cha anizophuma ke early, mina ngizophuma ngomhla ka 11 February engifuna ukuphuma ngawo in honor of ubaba Mafikizolo njengezulu.
Ekasi FM, the sound of the city.